In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your forward lower engine splash shield on your Mazda 3. It's located underneath the vehicle towards the nose of the car. All right, I'm going to use a 10mm socket to take out this bolt. This is definitely aftermarket. You might have an 8mm socket bolt. And there's one more here. Ours is a push pin. Yours will be a bolt. Ours is broken. The actual shield above is broken, so there's nothing to attach it to. All right, now we're going to use a 10mm socket to remove these two bolts. Again, you may have an 8mm socket. Just make sure you have a good hand on it so it doesn't fall. And you can remove your splash shield. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to take out these bolts. There are 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After you take out those bolts, you can take your push pin out in the center here. Using a flathead screwdriver, pop the center out, and the rest will come out. And then you can drop down your splash shield. All right, to install your splash shield, you're going to lift it up and line up your holes with where they live and tuck in your sides to hold it up for you, if it does. I'm going to start with my push pin here in the center, and that'll help me hold it up. All right, so we're going to start putting our bolts in. Going over to the next, just follow the splash shield, and it will lead you to the next bolt hole. And then moving right along, follow it along the edge, and you will find the rest of where they go. Don't over tighten these. They are plastic fasteners underneath where the bolt goes through. All right, so we're going to put our splash shield up and line it up. It goes above this shield on the side, and then there is, that slides into that, and there's one on the other side that slides into this side. That'll help hold it up for you. And I'm going to start with my back corners here, the ones closest to the back of the car. Make sure that you put your splash shield above this little corner here. You may have an 8mm socket bolt for that side, but we're using a 10. All right, so our shield above on the side is broken, so we have nothing to attach this to. I don't think we're going to need anything there with all the other fasteners, so I'm going to leave that be. Now let's go to the other side. And now let's do this one. So your middle bolt first will help hold the rest up. All right, and now I'm going to put my bolt in here. We had a grommet here, a plastic grommet. I'm sure you have a bolt. Ours is broken. The splash shield and the radiator bracket is broken, so we're using a push pin. Do your best. If you also have missing parts, you can make do with other things.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.